All right, so it's afternoon or evening now, and it is a balmy 22 degrees. So let's see, a friend of mine at work told me if you, on his Pioneer, if you first turn it, allow the fuel pump kick on, and then try to start it. But there's an extreme temperature difference than what it was -2 this morning to now 22 degrees, I believe it is. So, all right, history is still ongoing. Howdy everyone, Phil here from Peterson Farms in Nashville, and today I'm in my side-by-side. Yes, we got it started. It's about 22 degrees out now versus the -2 that we had this morning. But anyway, I wanted to show you a product that I just picked up, and I already have 2 of these that I use in each of our vehicles, and I bought 2 more just to have on the side-by-side, and 1 spare to maybe mount it somewhere for filming purposes, maybe on the tractor. Yeah, I didn't think about that. On the tractor, yes. But anyway, let me show you what it is. It's the MagAline Pro Window Dash and Vent Mount MagSafe compatible phone holder. And what's cool about these is I've used them, like I said, for quite a while now, but they mount to your dash just with a suction cup, and I've had tremendous success even on the dashes and maybe even slightly smaller surface area with these mounting to and holding 100%. I've never ever had it come off on its own. Matter of fact, it's a struggle to get them off when you want to remove them, but that suction cup just holds the mount so well to just about any surface. But it is magnet compatible, so it does come with a couple magnets. So if you don't have a mag case for your phone, you can stick these magnets to your phone case or phone, and it will work with any phone as well. So I definitely recommend these highly, and they're about, well, 29, 30 bucks, something like that, but well worth it compared to the other pieces of garbage that I've gone through, many types. This is my #1 pick, and I'll leave a link in my video description to where you can buy them, maybe on Amazon, but definitely Best Buy. And hope you try one out if it's what you need, and I can guarantee you, that's right, Phil's guarantee, it will work and work very well, and you'll be happy with it. So anyway, now it's off to check on the chickens, give them a little treat, some Real King popcorn, get them some water, because I know they were getting to the low end on water. But first we got to take out the trash here, and got a phone call. First we got to take out the trash, and then head to the chicken coop. So follow me along and we'll test out our new magnet mount for our iPhone. I'm just curious to see on the side-by-side, I've got it mounted to the dash of the front screen. I call it a dash, but it's the lower part of the front screen, and it comes out towards me at the breaking point where the upper comes to it. It's like a dash. It's almost made for this MagSafe. But yeah, I can't even pull that thing off. All right, let's see how the video goes. even adjust the height and swivel to whatever you want. I don't usually extend it all the way out because it gives you more bouncy motion, but I love this thing because driving an hour to and an hour home from work, I can watch all you folks on your YouTube channels and watch your videos and lives and all the good stuff. Makes it very convenient. Let's head up to the chickens. Check on them. Let's just swing you around and you can see what's going on maybe over here. There. Yeah, you can see what arms there. We're gonna get in there and give them some treats. Better chicken feet. All right. Popcorn. There you go, treats. I think they love the popcorn. I even like it. I even like it. We gotta get you turned around to view the main attraction. Me. All right. It's really not this difficult, just my hands are cold. Okay. How does that look? I think it looks pretty good, if you ask me. But anyway, let me just turn around. I just pulled the phone off of the holder, and that's what you got. So you got this magnetic surface for your MagSafe camera box. You have an adjustment that allows you to adjust it or extend it out. I usually just leave it in there. Then this adjustment adjusts that down or up. And then you have a swivel adjustment that you can just adjust that wherever you want the camera to be pointing. And then that's your suction cup. And as I mentioned, I've got it on this glass dash of the front windscreen. So that's the MagSafe magnetic extendable mount. MagAline Pro is the model, and it's made by Bracketron. Right there. Right there you go. You can also, obviously, with the magnet on your phone, just 360 degrees, or however way you want it. If you want to do verticals, no problem. Horizontal, which that's what I usually video in. I try to center myself up in the screen. But just love this thing. And if you bought one, you would too. All right, we're gonna go get some water for the chickens. I probably won't bother you with all that. I just want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and watching our videos. And if you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up, hit that like button on your way out. And even better yet, if you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing, because it costs you zero. That's right, zero, nada, not a thing, to subscribe to our channel. So thanks for stopping by. This is Phil here from Peterson Farms in Nashville, and I was just showing you one of my favorite tools in videography. It's the MagAline Pro dash and window mount, made by Bracketron, and I'll leave a link in the description below. God bless you all till next time.